Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Ms. Pranjali Lad, who's a HR business partner at a leading IT organization. Pranjali is known for her infectious enthusiasm, high energy, and result oriented approach. Hello, Pranjali. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Mayank, for such wonderful introduction and your wonderful words. I'm really happy to be a part of this platform and sharing the screen with you.
Most welcome, Pranjali. Pleasure is all mine.
Thank
Right, Pranjali. So, let's begin the questions. First, we'll go with the personal question. So, it's been almost 2 months of the lockdown. We are working from home. You, as a IT company, I'm sure that you may have started working from home prior to the lockdown was implemented. Just tell us something about your experience, your emotions at home. Just tell us something about it.
Yeah, of course. If we talk about work from home, work from home is something where people could not go and socialize and meet in person, talk to each other in person, and work together. So obviously, in our initial phase, also work from home was not really good, and it was more challenging sort of a situation wherein we were, figuring out how to. Build in the strong connectivity because there were some of the employers who were not really they had this their connectivity issues in at initial phase, and there are some projects which only operates on VPN. So these kind of issues, obviously we had to struggle with a lot of things, but now everything has been going smooth and everything has been swift. And if I talk about, on the current scenario, so with the new normal, everyone has been accustomed to it. And yes, now everything is streamlined if I compare to the previous situation. But yes, people, the employees, and I'm sure not only in our organization but all across, they would be having one more challenge that they need to take care of the household chores also. So
Right.
obviously, it was a bit challenging at that moment, but now everyone has been accustomed to it.
Very good. 2 months is a good enough time.
Yep,
So, you mean to say that on a personal basis, you were not only working from home, you were working for home as well.
exactly, correct.
Very good, Pranjali. I think most of us are doing the same thing.
Yes. But
Right.
it gets a lot of this thing people talk about stickiness also at this point of time, so
Mm,
this is also one of the factor.
right, right, right. So, Pranjali, so you being in HR, how do you engage your employees in this scenario, wherein everybody sitting at their own home, still you have to engage. How do you engage that?
So employees want to feel connected. So in our organization also, our HR business partner team, we had came up with the idea that we will connect each and every employee on regular basis so that they feel connected to the organization, that our organization is not only talking in terms of completing the work but on the softer aspects as well. So whenever these connects calls have been happening through an HR, so they are mostly on the empathy side. So this is how we were trying to tackle and engage the employees. Yes, apart from these connect calls, we had also planned a virtual calendar, and we had published this, and thanks to this internet era, so that was not really a challenging thing. Plus we also have a social collaborative platform in our organization which is known as FB, which is known as Workplace, which operates like FB only.
Okay.
So it was that was not really a big challenging factor for us, if we see like that, where we don't have these kind of facility, maybe internet issues or this collaborative platform like Workplace.
So that's nice. So you people have created your own FB. That means
Yeah.
an own platform wherein you can exchange your ideas, exchange your happiness and sorrows.
Yes, exactly.
Never a problem. Never a problem with the IT companies. And the best part is that this problem has come. This entire lockdown pandemic has come in the era of internet. So I think so many things are already sorted. So we just have to use our creativity to just stay connected with each other and then uh, engage our people.
Bang on. Sure.
Right, right. So, my last question: what are the expectations of the employees from HR in this time, and how are you catering to those expectations?
So, as I had mentioned earlier, also, employees want to feel connected to an organization. And if I talk about a company's core value, it's one of the core value is growing together. So company along with the employees, they want to grow together and they are sticking to this point. So in this current situation, obviously employees, they are sitting at home working day and night because obviously we don't have an option to go outside and chill with others. So this is the main problem which we are having in the current situation. So in this current situation, we are acknowledging the efforts of the employees the way we used to do it in in the normal scenario, while we used to go to office and we used to give them, award them for their good work and whatever they have done. So as I've mentioned earlier also that we have a social collaborative platform in our organization, which is Workplace. So all the awards and everything, the R&R is also happening on that platform, and which is in a way is a good thing because obviously first we used to get those things done within a small group, but now the entire organization could see that how the one person has performed and the work has been acknowledged.
That's wonderful. The R&R program is on. That means people are still being
Yeah.
recognized and rewarded
Yes.
while sitting at home doing their work. So that is
Yes.
also a major part.
Along with
Right.
that, the employees, they are kept on their toes to do their trainings and everything. They have been encouraged by their supervisors and the you know the entire platform which is being built by our L&D team as well. So along with their normal project work, they are free to do all these things also.
That's correct. Many organizations have seen that they are using this time for the learning and development purpose. So in the last 2 months or so, like 60, 70 days, they have focused a lot of learning and development. And I think your organization is also doing the same thing because it is a wonderful time because we are saving some time out of traffic also. And of course, while we are at home, so the stress of traffic and going home to office to home is not there. So we have some more mind space and we have more less stress. So that is what it is going to the other organizations also.
And whenever I do these connect calls, employees really they really get happy that someone is calling from the office, so they appreciate this gesture as well.
Right, right. That is that as we as HR we already know that thing. So that is the best part. Right. Thank you so much, Pranjali, for being on the show. It was wonderful having you on the show.
Thank you, Mayank, for giving me this opportunity.
Most welcome. Thank you so much, friends, for watching us. I'll be back with you soon with some other personality. Till then, namaste.
Namaste.